Hi, my name is Laura Beth Hayes. I'm the principal here at North Park Elementary.
And I'm Sabrina Morgan. I'm the assistant principal.
So we are here tonight for our kindergarten open house. We are very excited to welcome our newest tiny Trojans, as we refer to our students, as they start their kindergarten adventure tonight.
Yes, and this year our theme is The Adventure Begins. So as you can see, we've got a great adventure sign, and kindergarten is the adventure of the lifetime. It's going to start their school career. So
we're excited to get them set off on that journey tonight.
In the front, and then you'll greet everybody in the cafeteria, and then you'll say goodbye in the front cafeteria. So you'll walk them all the way back. 20 minutes ago.
Leah, look, there's our friends.
Can we get you to take our photo?
Hi, my name is Cindy Sage. I'm the librarian here at North Park, and we are here at Open House, and we are so excited to see our kindergartners for the first time. And I am doing car tags with a couple of other people, and we have all kinds of things around the cafeteria, and students can see their classes and meet their teachers, and it's going to be a fun adventure.
Okay, last question. There's a sheet for Kaufman and for Schultz, but there's not a...
You're going to go down this hallway, and you're going to go all the way into the other corner. So there's going to, when you come to the end, there's two ways to go. You're going to go right, and she's all the way in the corner, okay? Thank you. Have a great night, okay?
I know that. I even had to reread it a few times, and I was like, okay, let me come real quick.
Hi, I'm Amy Gilpin. I'm the counselor at North Park.
I'm Denise Duncan. I'm a special ed teacher / interventionist.
And we want to thank all of our families and brand new tiny Trojans for coming out tonight to our open house.